Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kynhun Myntri jong ka Sorkar kala Mynjur ban Bsuh lang ya ka Ktien Pnar ha ka state anthem jong ka Jylla Meghalaya. Myntri rang ba ka Jylla konrad sangma habakren syakilat pathai khubor uloong ba ka Kynhun Myntri kala shim ya karai ban Bsuh lang ya ka Ktien Pnar ha ka state anthem hadin bakila ngap ya ka jing ai jing mut jong kinong yalam ka bakentup ya ki arngut ki sembut Myntri rang ba kinong yalam jong ka GHADC bat kiwe Ulaya thu bayakan ye ka anthem onplat padba ha ka Meghalaya Games ka balong hawa ya jer ha ka arpuwi terik ukala lingkot. Laban kdo bayaka state anthem jong ka Jylla Meghalaya lakan thup lang ha ki lai jat ki Ktien ka Khasi Garo bat English. Ha ka baki padba bat ki MDC ka GHADC kilapan pau ya ka jing persya halor ka jing bam kan thup lang ya ka Ktien jaintia ha ka state anthem. Kila paru da ka jing tho ban pendrung lang day halor kani hadien ka jing yakren kila Mynjur ban Bsuh lang ya ka Ktien Pnar.
First of all, I'd like to once again wish you all Happy New Year. I've met some of you, but some of you I could not meet. But to everyone, a very Happy New Year. We had 9 agendas today in the cabinet, and I would like to start. The first agenda today was the amendment to the state anthem. I am happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives and the public at large, the cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya state anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Mynjur in Jylla Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day. So that was the first decision that was taken by the cabinet today.